Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Habib Jubaidi. I'm from Business Education 2017, Faculty Economy, State University of Jakarta. I will present my thesis titled The Influence of Celebrity Endorsement and Brand Image on Purchase Intention of Fashion Brand in E-commerce. Chapter 4, Result and Discussion. Data Description. The number of respondents in the study were 200 respondents who fit the criteria, namely respondent domicile in Jabodetabek who had purchased a Rigo apparel product in at least the last 6 months. From the result of collecting questionnaires, we know the profile of respondent based on gender, age, domicile, place education, employment status, and marital status. Profile respondent. Gender. Based on the table data, it can be concluded that the 100 respondents who filled in were most women. Women consist of 147 respondents with a percentage of 73.5%, while men are 53 respondents with a percentage of 26.5%. Age. Based on the table, it can be concluded that 200 respondents have an age range of 17 until 25 years. The most respondents aged 21 until 25 years were 192 with a percentage of 96%, while 17 until 20 were 8 with a percentage of 4%. In this case, the most dominant age of respondent is 17 until 25 years. Domicile. Based on the table, it can be concluded that 200 respondents based on domicile, including 100 respondents, 50 domicile in Jakarta, 28 respondents, 14% domicile in Bogor, 21 respondents, 10.5 domicile in Depok, 19 respondents, 9.5 domicile in Tangerang, and 32 respondents, 16 domicile in Bekasi. In this case, the most dominant domicile in the respondent is Jakarta. As education, based on the table, it can be concluded that 200 respondents based on the level of the education, as many as 3 respondents, 1.5 respondent, 1.5% graduate at the SHS degree SHS level, 188 respondents, 94% graduate at the SHS level, and 9 respondents, 4.5% graduate at the bachelor level. From this result, respondents based on education level, high school graduate dominate. Employment status. Based on data table, it can be concluded that 200 respondents based on employment status, as many as 15 respondents, 7.5% are not working. At 8 respondents, 4% are working. 16 respondents, 8% have their own business, and 161 respondents, 80.5% are students. From this result based on employment status, student respondent dominate. Marital status. Based on the table, it can be concluded that 200 respondents based on marital status, as many as 200 respondents, 100% are not married. So, from this result, respondents who are not married dominate. Descriptive analysis of celebrity endorsement variable. Based on descriptive analysis of variable celebrity endorsement, the agree option is most chosen by respondent compared to other option. Of the 6 celebrity endorsement indicator, the agree option has a total frequency of 633 or equivalent to 52.8%, and with the statement, I feel the Erigo endorse have attractive appearance was chosen the most, namely 59.5% of respondent. The result of this descriptive analysis showed that respondents tend to answer positively to statements on celebrity endorsement variable. Based on a descriptive analysis of variable brand image, the agree option was the most chosen by respondent compared to other options. Of the 6 brand image indicator, the agree option have a total frequency of 644, or equivalent to 53.7%, and with the statement, Erigo provides security grade guarantees on every product transaction, chosen by the most, namely 61% of respondents. The result of this descriptive analysis show that the respondents tend to answer positively to statements on brand image variable. Based on a descriptive analysis of variable purchase intention, the agree option was the most chosen by respondent compared to other options. Of the 6 purchase intention indicator, the agree option has a total frequency of 50,158, or equivalent to 55.8%. And with the statement, I look for information about Erigo product through the close people who have used Erigo product was chosen the most, namely 59% of respondents. The result of this descriptive analysis show that respondents tend to answer positively to statement on the purchase intention variable. Validity test result. Based on the table above, it can be concluded that all questionnaires items from both the celebrity endorsement, brand image, and purchase intention variable are valid. This is because the R calculate all of all statement item is greater than the R table, which is 0.138. Therefore, all indicators are proven to represent the variable tested in this study. Reality test result. Based on the table above, it can be concluded that based on the table above, it can be concluded that all variables are reliable because the exit Cronbach's alpha greater than 0.60 and can be used for the further testing. This is a confirmatory factor analysis, structural model before modification. It's known that there are still many numbers from all goodness of fit in this that not meet the cutoff point. This has the necessity for the structural model to be modified in line with a preference output modification in this and goodness of fit. This fit model, structural model after modification. It is understood that all goodness of fit indices always meet the cutoff point criteria. The indicates that model can be continued. Hypothesis test. This is a output of hypothesis test result. Hypothesis test. Hypothesis testing 1 based on the test result. The regression weight output has a CR value of 8.30 303 is greater than 1.967 and a p-value is 0.000 more less than 0.05. So the hypothesis is accept significant with an estimate value of standardized regression weight showing a positive direction of influence of 0.777. It can be concluded that celebrity endorsement have a positive and significant effect on brand image. Hypothesis testing 2. Based on the test result, the regression weight output has a CR value of 6.759, more than 1.967, and p-value is 0.00, less than 0.05. So the hypothesis is accept significant with an estimate value of standardized regression weight showing a positive influence of 0.817. It can be concluded the celebrity endorsement have a positive and significant effect on forecast intention. Hypothesis testing 3. Based on the test result, the regression weight output has a CR value of 3.110, is more great than, and a p-value of 0.002, less than 0.05. So the hypothesis is accept significant with an estimate value of standardized regression with showing positive influence of 0.342. It can be concluded that brain image has a positive and significant effect on forecast intention. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. The first hypothesis, namely that celebrity endorsement has a positive and significant effect on brand image, is acceptable. This show can celebrate that celebrity endorsement has an impact on the brand image of a Rigo apparel product. The second hypothesis, namely that celebrity endorsement has a positive and significant effect on forecast intention, can be accepted. This proves that a celebrity has an impact on forecast intention. The third hypothesis, the brand image has a positive and significant effect on forecast intention, is acceptable. This shows that a Rigo apparel's image has an impact on forecast intention. Suggestion for further research. Further research can use other variables can that affect forecast intention. Forecast intention show as e-commerce delivery and security assurance availability, ease of cost, and accessibility, and so on. Research can be developed by creating different research model, a sample of more than 200 respondents, and the selection of different respondent characteristics so that the research can be obtained a wider range of results from various other possibilities. Further research can be deepened with more accurate and up-to-date data or reference source from other sources. Thank you.